Hi students, welcome to Venkatvarma Chemistry YouTube channel. I hope all are doing well. In this session, I am going to discuss one of the most important oxidizing agent, that is a potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate, kMno4. It is a good oxidizing agent. In this session, I am going to discuss potassium permanganate oxidizing agent. So, what is the importance of potassium permanganate? What is the importance of potassium permanganate? Let's start our session. See, have a look for potassium permanganate. See, potassium permanganate, its formula kMno4. Its formula kMno4. See, the potassium permanganate, the oxidation of cold dilute or alkaline kMno4, that is a Bayer's reagent. What is a Bayer's reagent? Cold dilute alkaline kMno4 solution is known as Bayer's reagent. Bayer's reagent. See, what is Bayer's reagent? Cold dilute alkaline kMno4 solution is the Bayer's reagent. See, oxidation with cold dilute alkaline kMno4. Generally, alkenes reaction with cold dilute kMno4 solution to get hydroxylated to form a 1,2 diol. So generally, alkenes are oxidized to give 1,2 diol or 1,2 glycol. 1,2 glycol. See. Generally, alkenes reaction with cold kMno4 solution to give 1,2 glycol or 1,2 diol. See, have a look for the reaction. See, alkene oxidation with kMno4. Alkene, it is a ethylene oxidation with kMno4 solution. Cold dilute kMno4 solution. It gives 1,2 diol. Ethane 1,2 diol or ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. See, have a look for second one. 2-butene oxidation with cold dilute kMno4 solution. Cold dilute kMno4 solution. It gives diol, butane 2,3 diol. So it is a butane 2,3 diol. See, the 2-butene oxidation with kMno4 solution to give butane 2,3 diol. See, have a look for next one. See, addition of two OH groups by kMno4 to alkene takes place syn addition. Syn addition. See, cis-2-butene with cold dilute kMno4 solution, it undergoes syn addition to give meso product. It gives meso product. Cis-butene with the syn addition, it gives meso compound. It's give only one product. Only one product. It gives only one product. Cis alkene syn addition, it gives meso compound. Meso compound. See, have a look for next. If transalkene with the syn addition, it gives two products. It gives two products. Say, it is a racemic mixture. It is a racemic mixture. Transalkene with syn addition, it gives racemic mixture. Transalkene with kMno4 solution oxidation, it gives racemic mixture. It gives racemic mixture. Have a look for next reaction. Cyclopentene with cold dilute kMno4 solution, it gives cis 1,2 cyclopentane diol. It is cis 1,2 cyclopentane diol. See. Have a look for oxidation with hot kMno4 solution. Oxidation with hot kMno4 solution. See, on reaction with hot alkaline kMno4 solution at higher concentration or acidic medium, the alkenes are oxidation to give different types of compounds or different types of compounds. It's based on or it's depend on structure of alkene. It's depend on structure of alkene. If terminal alkenes, say terminal alkenes groups oxidize to, terminal alkenes are oxidized to formic acid. Terminal alkenes are oxidized to, the terminal alkene part oxidized to formic acid. Formic acid undergoes further oxidation to give carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water. See, the next one, non-terminal alkenes. Non-terminal alkenes, the part is undergoes oxidation. It gives carboxylic acid or COOH and double bond, carbon double bond and R2 groups. It gives ketones. It gives ketones. Non-terminal alkenes are oxidized to give carboxylic acid and oxidized to ketones. Have a look for example. See, ethylene. So ethylene oxidation with hot kMno4 solution. So the cleavage of double bond. The cleavage of double bond. It gives formic acid. It gives formic acid. So it is a terminal alkene. It undergoes oxidation with hot kMno4 solution. It gives formic acid. Further oxidation, it gives carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water. Have a look for the next example. See, propene. It is a propene. Propene with hot kMno4 solution. The breaking of double bond, it gives acetic acid, CH3COOH. This part is oxidized to carboxylic acid. This part is oxidized to formic acid. So it is acetic acid and formic acid. Formic acid is further oxidized to give carbon dioxide and water. It is a acetic acid. It is a formic acid. Have a look for next reaction. See, so this is the previous same reaction. Very simple, breaking of double bond. So this part is converted to carboxylic acid, CH3COOH. This part is converted to formic acid. The further oxidize the formic acid, CO2 and water. See, have a look for next. So have a look for this alkene. So breaking off. So more alkyl substituent. It is CH3 with CH2 CH3. This part is converted to ketone. This part is converted to formic acid. So it is a non-terminal alkane like this. It is a non-terminal alkenes are converted to ketones. See, same as formic acid, further oxidation to give carbon dioxide and water. See, have a look for next. See, here the breaking of or cleavage of double bond. In hot kMno4 solution, it gives acetone. 2 moles of acetone is gives. Cleavage of double bond to give ketones. To give ketones. It is 2, 3 dimethyl 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 dimethyl but to in presence of hot kMno4 solution, it gives 2 moles of acetone. It gives 2 moles of acetone. 2 moles of acetone. Have a look for next reaction. So this is the methyl cyclopentene. Methyl cyclopentene cleavaged in hot kMno4 solution. Oxidation, it gives this is the product. This is the product. See, have a look for next. Alkynes. Alkynes are oxidized. So alkynes are oxidized in presence of cold kMno4 and in presence of hot concentrated kMno4. Cold kMno4, it gives diketone, alpha beta diketone. It is a alpha beta diketone. So it's a next hot concentrated kMno4. So the cleavage of unsaturation, it gives carboxylic acid. It gives RCOOH and RCOOH. It gives carboxylic acid in hot kMno4 solution. For alkyne oxidation by kMno4 into different condition, cold condition and hot condition. Cold condition, it gives alpha beta diketones, and hot conditions, it gives carboxylic acid, alkynes. Have a look for next one. See, alcohols. Generally, 3 types of alcohols are present. One is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol oxidized to give aldehyde. Primary alcohol oxidize aldehyde. Aldehyde further oxidized, it gives carboxylic acid. It gives carboxylic acid. Now, secondary alcohol oxidized to give ketones. Ketone. So, ketones, no further oxidation. No further oxidation. Ketones do not undergo further oxidation. Have a look for secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol, there is no oxidation. It does not undergo oxidation. Remember, primary alcohols are converted to aldehyde and secondary alcohols are converted to ketone. Primary alcohol aldehyde, secondary alcohols are ketones. Primary alcohols are further oxidized with aldehyde, it gives carboxylic acid. So secondary alcohol ketones do not undergo further oxidation. Tertiary alcohol, there is no oxidation. There is no oxidation. Have a look for next one. If alpha beta, it is an exception for ketone. Alpha beta diketones are used. Alpha beta diketones are used. It gives carboxylic acid. It gives carboxylic acids. It gives carboxylic acid. Have a look for next one. Carboxylic acid do not undergo oxidation. It is difficult to oxidize. It is difficult to oxidize. It is difficult to oxidized in normal condition. Here two exceptions are there. In formic acid, oxidation, it gives carbon dioxide, water, and oxalic acid oxidized, it gives carbon dioxide. So carboxylic acid generally not oxidize. It is more difficult to oxidize. Here two exceptions are there. The formic acid, it is a formic acid. Formic acid oxidized, it gives carbon dioxide. And oxalic acid oxidized, it gives carbon dioxide. carbon dioxide. See, have a look for next. Ethers. Ether oxidation, there is no reaction. There is no oxidation with ether. There is no oxidation with ether. So this is about oxidizing agent potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate, it is very useful in JIPMER and NEET examination purpose. Okay, see, I hope like this video. Don't forget to share your friends. Don't forget to give like. If you find this content is valuable, make sure to subscribe for insightful lecture. Thanks for watching.